Alright guys, so before this video starts, I just really want to update you guys on a new camera part that we actually just got. I'm pretty excited for it, but I'm going to show you it now so you can see it before and after. We finally got a microphone. So it's a Rode, comes in this box. Nice little box, like 60 bucks. It's really affordable. Nice little Rode mic. Super sick. But yeah, let's put this on and show you guys. Guys, the new mic is on. Let me know what the quality sounds like now. So we just talked to the before and after. Am I zoomed in? I'm not zoomed in. What the heck? But yeah, let me know about the quality. Today, I'm actually pretty excited. My boy Tommy hooked me up with a camera bag. Our vlogging, all our camera equipment, we're gonna gather all the camera equipment, we're gonna lay it out, and we're gonna try to put everything into this one bag. So we have one bag with everything we would need for a shoot or a vlog or an event or whatever. So that's the goal. Alright guys, so this is essentially all my camera stuff. It's not organized at all. A box full of a whole bunch of stuff that I have to go through right now. We got external mics, so we got the gimbal. I don't know if I've actually ever showed you guys this, but the gimbal that I use, that I've been really getting into these cinematic shots, is the gimbal. We got chargers, we got batteries. But the goal is to try to get all of this into this bag. I don't know how I feel yet about the fact that that the gimbal is actually out of this case. So the gimbal actually comes in this really nice case that's like hard, and you can carry it around. It all sits in here perfectly. But you know, when you go into shoots and stuff, it'd be nice just to grab one bag that has everything in the camera. It has the gimbal. It has just everything ready to go already. I don't have to like carry anything extra. So I don't know. I'm gonna run with this for a little bit. Once again, huge shout out to Tommy for hooking me up with this bag. This is gonna make everything a lot easier. Now I can just grab a bag and go and like do anything I want. Vlog, cinematic, whatever. Everything's here. So super stoked on that. So Tommy, thanks again, bro. Well, now that that's set up, let's see what the day has for us. Alright guys, good afternoon. Today, we're running late, but we're going to meet up with the Queens Subaru Club. We actually have a Sonic meet. It's a bunch of cars meeting. We're all going to cruise out to Sonic. It should be really fun. I'm running late, as usual, but I have to get gas, and then we're going to go meet up with Sam, and then when we get Sam, we're going to shoot over to the meet. So let me start going, because I had to meet up with Sam in 5 minutes, and yeah, alright, I'll update you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we just made it to Sam's. We're waiting for him to come out now. This is his Forester. Right next to us. We ended up getting a spot literally right next to him. So we're waiting for Sam to come out now. He's gonna hop in the car. We're gonna cruise out to the meeting spot, and then we're gonna meet up with the rest of the crew. It's supposed to be something like 60 cars or something like that. It's supposed to be something crazy. I'm pretty stoked for this new mic, so hopefully sound levels are really good. I hope they are good. So we're gonna do this whole thing vlog style, the whole day, the whole night, whatever. Get some food, hang out with the homies. It's gonna be a fun time. So yeah, so wait for Sam to come out, and we're gonna get going. Subies. Listen guys, don't be this asshole, alright? Look at this, and she's in the car. She's in the car too, look at it, she's in the car. Look at this. Unbelievable. They come back, love me. Alright, peace out, Cub Scouts. You? Only once in a while. Oh, hello there. What's up, bud? Nice to see you. How's everything? Nice to see you. Everything's good, man. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Screw alive. Alright, who we got? Subies. Ooh, fresh sticker? Ooh.
Not really fresh. It's not working.
Get that fresh sticker, though. Yo.
Oh shit, what's up?
What's up, guys?
Yo, that was a beautiful fucking video.
Thank you, bro.
That was a beautiful video.
Thank you, appreciate it. I want to do more for sure. I want to do more like a story thing.
Yo, the minute you post, I'm in, man.
Thank you, yeah, for sure. This bug is fire. Fire. Look at this bug guy. Yo, bugging out on this bug guy. Fire. All these cars here, all these cars, there's one other legacy. What's up, like a gang? One other legacy. That's it. No love for the legacies, guys. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about us.
Oh my god, I watch him on YouTube. Oh my god, he's famous.
I see him. I see him. I see him. Spotted. Spotted. Spot. Oh, 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 oh. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guy? Looking pretty low here. Looking pretty low here. Pretty low. Yeah, there's no parking that way, so save yourself the time.
I got my nails done.
They look amazing.
Really?
Yeah,
You like them?
I like them. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? Yo, sick mic, bro.
Thanks, man.
It's like what? Bike? Oh, Mike. At least a
Thanks,
bike.
man. Oh, damn. I really wanted to set up my friggin' my suction cup to mount this for the cruise, but it's not gonna happen. We're already rolling out, so I can't do that. So, sorry. Look at this. This is how we get down. Look at this. She's taking videos from the sunroof. Yo, we out here. I don't know if you can hear these cars right now. Woo! Sounds so good. Shit is sick. Oh, look at these sexy people over here. Look at these guys. Hello.
We're gonna go get food real quick. Hello.
Alright. Well, aren't they paying for food?
Who? Why?
The club.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They were gonna take some of the funds that they gather up.
Yeah. Alright, whatever. I'll walk with you guys.
We're not.
Yo, guys, we made it. We made it to Sonic. We're here. We made it. We got it. Low light.
We split up from the crew, so we were by ourselves.
Why? Where'd you guys go?
We just went on the LIE.
Oh, so did I, because I lost everybody and I started ripping it on the LIE, bro.
So you were by
And then I saw like friggin' all of a sudden I fly past a bunch of Subies. I was like, oh, this gotta be the first group. I'm gonna catch up to the next group. And then there was Sam. I was like, wait, it's gotta be the early group.
no, we were the first one.
Oh,
like, we
shit.
Were way
Subies, come on. Yeah, boy. Yeah, BTR gangs popping. Here we are, guys. QSC, we getting Sonic. Got here. Is everybody. That's all I really want. All QSC right here. Everybody. All of us. One big happy family. Everybody. Oh, filming the baby. Vlogception right now? Vlogception? Oh. How you doing? He's learning.
You did good, yeah. So we think we got a good photo. Thank you. Yeah, come on, we were like right at the pearly gates right here.
I'm sorry.
What year is your?
Sorry. They're all yelling at me. They're yelling at me because I didn't get in line. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm sorry. Sorry. This is lit though. Look at all these people.
Like crashed?
Hey. Yeah, eat that. Eat that.
Oh, okay, then why don't we just go to him?
No, we're gonna get back and everyone's gonna leave. It's like everyone's just gonna be rolling out.
We're in the line for like 5 hours.
You're like, well, there goes my photo.
Catch a glimpse of my little eye.
Alright guys, so I feel like it's been a while since we did one of these kind of like vlog style videos where we kind of just hang out with friends, go to a meet, check out some cars or whatever, and just kind of vlog what we've been doing. But had a lot of fun, so huge shout out to Queens Subaru Club for putting together this little event. They do a lot of stuff. Obviously, you guys know, if you follow my channel, you know that I'm pretty active with the Queens Subaru Club. It was a lot of fun, had a blast, got some food with the homies, it was cool. I really wanted to do one of these videos even though I haven't done one in a long time because we got this microphone. So hopefully sound is pretty good. It should be good. I realized that that if you're actually talking with the camera facing out, like if I'm filming something trying to talk over it, that the mic doesn't pick up as well as if I was talking to the camera like this, just the way the mic is set up. But so that's duly noted, so in the future we'll keep that in mind doing things like that. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. If you got any questions, oh my god, I fucked that up. Alright guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. If you got any questions, leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next one.